Q1215. While preparing your sUAS for flight, you notice that one of the propeller blades has a nick. What action should you take? A. If the nick is less than 1/4 the length of the blade, it is safe to operate without replacement. B. Remove and replace the propeller. Consult manufacturer guidelines for repair, if any. C. Repair by filing the nick to a smooth curve or with adhesive approved for use on the propeller material. The correct answer is B. It is important to ensure that the propellers are free from damage or defects before every flight. A nick in a propeller blade can potentially cause balance issues or even failure during flight, which can be dangerous. Therefore, any damaged or suspect propellers should be replaced or repaired according to the manufacturer's guidelines. In this case, option B is the correct action to take. 1216. In which of the following scenarios is a remote PIC not required to perform a pre-flight inspection of their sUAS? A. If the subsequent flight occurs immediately following a flight before which an inspection was made. B. Pre-flight inspections are only required for the first flight of the day, so any other flight does not require such an inspection. C. Pre-flight inspections are required before each flight, thus there is no scenario that precludes such an inspection. The correct answer is C. According to FAA regulations, a remote piloting command is required to conduct a pre-flight inspection of the sUAS prior to each flight to ensure that the aircraft is in a condition for safe operation. This requirement applies to every flight, regardless of whether it is the first flight of the day or a subsequent flight. Therefore, option A and B are incorrect because they suggest that a pre-flight inspection may not be required under certain circumstances, which is not true.